ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। अर्जुन उवाच प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च एतद्वेदितुमिच्छामि ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं च केशव।
Arjuna Uvacha said, Prakritim, material nature or matter, Purusham, the experiencer, Cha, and Eva, indeed, Kshetram, the field, Kshetrajnam, the knower of the field, Eva, indeed, Cha, and Etat, these, Veditum, to know, Ichchami, I wish, Jnanam, knowledge, Jneyam, the goal of knowledge of what is to be known, Cha, and Keshava, O Krishna, killer of the demon Keshi.
Shri Bhagawanuvacha Idam sharirang kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate etadyo vetti tam prahuhu kshetrajna iti tadvidaha.
Shri Bhagavan, Supreme Lord, Uvacha, said, Idam, this Shariram, body, Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, Kshetram, the field of activity, Iti, as Abhidhiyate, is called Etat, this Yaha, one who, Vetti, knows, Tam, that person, Prahuhu, is declared Kshetrajnaha, the knower of the field, Iti, thus, Tat Vidaha, the knowers of these or the truth.
Kshetrajñam chapi mam vidhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajnayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama.
Kshetrajnam, the knower of the field, Cha, also, Api, verily, Mam, me, Vidhi, do know, Sarva, all, Kshetreshu, in the fields, Bharata, O Arjuna, descendant of Bharata, Kshetra, the field, Kshetrajnayoho, of the knower of the field, Jnanam, knowledge, Yat, which, Tat, that, Jnanam, knowledge,
Matam is considered to be mama, by me. The kshetra is the material body on which the various activities of samsara are played out. Indeed, we can consider the entire manifest creation to be kshetra or the field of action. The individual souls and the universe that constitute the kshetra have no existence independent of the all-pervading and immanent cosmic intelligence called kshetrajna. Arjuna asked, O Keshava, what are the matter and the experiencer, and what are the field of activity and the knower of the field? And indeed, what are the knowledge and the goal of the knowledge? I wish to know these. The Supreme Lord said, O son of Kunti, this body is called as the field, and the one who knows this body is termed as the knower of the field. Thus is declared by the knowers of these. O descendant of Bharata, you should also know that I am verily the knower of the field in all the fields. To know both the field and the knower of the field is what I consider to be the true knowledge. Arjuna uvacha prakritim purusham chaiva kshetram kshetrajñameva cha etadveditumichhami jnanam jneyam cha Keshava. Shri Bhagavanuvacha idam shariram kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate etadyo vetti tam prahuhu kshetrajña iti tadvidaha. Kshetrajñam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajñayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayaha Kshetra Kshetrajña Vibhaga Yogaha. Arjuna uvacha prakritim purusham chaiva kshetram kshetrajñameva cha etadveditumichhami jnanam jneyam cha Keshava. Shri Bhagavanuvacha idam shariram kaunteya kshetramityabhidhiyate etadyo vetti tam prahuhu kshetrajña iti tadvidaha. Kshetrajñam chapi mam viddhi sarvakshetreshu bharata kshetra kshetrajñayor jnanam yattadjnanam matam mama. Tat kshetram yacca yadrukcha
यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु।
Tat, that, kshetram, field, yat, what is, cha, and yadrik, its nature, cha, also, yat, what is, vikari, changes or modifications, yataha, from where, cha, also, yat, what, saha, he, cha, also, yaha, who, yat, which, prabhavaha, power or influence, cha, and tat, that, samasena, in brief, me, from me, shrunu, hear.
ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः।
Rishibhihi, by the sages, bahudha, in many ways, Geetam, has been sung or described, Chandobhihi, in chants, Vividhaihi, in various, Prithak, distinctly or one by one, Brahma Sutra, the Brahma Sutras, Padaihi, by the hymns, Cha, and Eva, verily, Hetu Madbhihi, with clear reasoning, Vinishchitaihi, definite. Krishna explains to Arjuna the distinctions between the Kshetra and the Kshetrajna, or between Prakriti and Purusha, the knowledge of which has been extolled by the wise men and validated with great authority in our sacred texts like the Vedas, Itihasas, Puranas, and other spiritual commentaries. Now hear from me briefly on what the field is, what its nature is, what its modifications are, and what is produced from where, and also who he, the knower of the field, is, and what his influences are. It has been distinctly described by the sages in many ways, in various chants, Brahma Sutras and hymns, verily with definite and clear reasoning.
महाभूतान्यहङ्कारो बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः
Mahabhutani, the great elements, Ahankaraha, ego, Buddhihi, intellect, Avyaktam, the unmanifested, the material energy, Eva, also, Cha, and Indriyani, the senses, Dasha, 10, Ekam, 1, Cha, and Pancha, 5, cha and indriya gocharaha, objects of the senses. Ichha dvesha sukham dukkham. Sanghataschetana dhritihi. Etat kshetram samasena. Savikaramudahritam. Ichha, desire, dveshaha, hatred, sukham, happiness, dukkham, distress, sanghatah, the aggregate, the body, chetana, consciousness, dhritihi, the will or conviction, etat, this, kshetram, the field, samasena, in summary, savikaram, with its modifications, udahritam, described as. The kshetra is constituted of the 5 essential elements: the ego, the intellect, the mind, the 5 karmendriyas, the 5 jnanendriyas, and the 5 sense objects. Desire, hatred, happiness, and misery, which emerge from the mind, are also attributes associated with the kshetra. The 5 great elements, ego, intellect, and also the material energy, the 11 senses, the objects of the senses, desire, hatred, happiness, distress, the body, consciousness, and conviction. These are in summary described as the field of actions with its modifications. Tat kshetram yaccha yadruccha yadvikari yatascha yat sacha yo yat prabhavascha tat samasena me shrunu. Rishibhir bahudha geetam छंदोभिर् विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः। महाभूतान्यहंकारो बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इंद्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः। इच्छा द्वेषः सुखं दुःखं संघातश्चेतना धृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु। ऋषिभिर्बहुधा गीतम् छन्दोभिर्विविधैः पृथक् ब्रह्मसूत्रपदैश्चैव हेतुमद्भिर्विनिश्चितैः। महाभूतान्यहङ्कारो बुद्धिरव्यक्तमेव च इन्द्रियाणि दशैकञ्च पञ्चचेन्द्रियगोचराः। इच्छाद्वेषः सुखं दुःखं सङ्घातश्चेतनाधृतिः एतत् क्षेत्रं समासेन सविकारमुदाहृतम्। अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचम् स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः Amanitvam, humility or absence of arrogance. Adambhitvam, sincerity or absence of hypocrisy. Ahimsa, non-violence. Kshantihi, patience or forgiveness. Arjavam, uprightness. Acharya, teacher or guru. Upasanam, service to. Shaucham, purity. Sthairyam, steadiness. Atma vinigraha, self-control. Indriyartheshu vairagyam anahankara evacha जन्म मृत्यु जरा व्याधि दुःख दोषानुदर्शनम्। Indriya artheshu, of sense objects. Vairagyam, dispassion. Anahankaraha, absence of egoism. Eva, certainly. Cha, and. Janma, birth. Mrityu, death. Jara, old age. Vyadhi, sickness. Dukkha, pain. Dosha, faults or darkness. Anudarshanam, perception. असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु asaktihi, non-attachment. Anabhishvangaha, not identifying oneself with. putra progeny, dara spouse, griha home, adishu etc., nityam constant, cha and samachittatvam even-mindedness, ishta desirable, anishtah undesirable, upapattishu having obtained. Mayi chananya yogena bhaktiravyabhicharini vivikta desha sevitvam aratirjana samsadi. Mayi to me, cha and ananya yogena by yoga of non-separation, bhaktihi devotion, avyabhicharini constant, vivikta solitary or pure, desha places, sevitvam inclination for, aratihi distaste, jana samsadi mundane society of men. Adhyatma jnana nityatvam tattva jnanartha darshanam etagñanamiti proktam अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा Adhyatma spiritual or of the self, Jnana knowledge, Nityatvam constancy, Tattva Jnana knowledge of the truth, Artha meaning, Darshanam understanding, etat this, jnanam knowledge, iti thus, proktam declared, ajnanam ignorance, yat what, ataha to it, anyatha contrary. Krishna describes to Arjuna the various practices that help the seeker realize the absolute truth. He classifies these practices as the real knowledge which takes one towards God. The practice of all other trades is the hallmark of the ignorant ones who are led astray and weaned away from God. Humility, absence of hypocrisy, non-violence, patience, uprightness, service to the Guru, purity of body and mind, steadiness, self-control, dispassion towards sense objects, absence of egoism, perception of the faults of birth, death, old age, pain and sickness, non-attachment, not identifying oneself with progeny, spouse, home, etc., remaining constant and even-minded on obtaining the desirable or undesirable, constant devotion to me by the yoga of non-separation, inclination for solitary places and distaste towards mundane society of men, constancy in the knowledge of the self and understanding of the truth. This is declared to be the true knowledge, and what is contrary to it is ignorance. Amanitvamadambhitvam ahimsa kshantirarjavam acharyopasanam shaucham स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः. इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्। असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यञ्च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु। मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि। अध्यात्मज्ञाननित्यत्वम् तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम् एतज्ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम् अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा। ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। अमानित्वमदम्भित्वम् अहिंसा क्षान्तिरार्जवम् आचार्योपासनं शौचम् स्थैर्यमात्मविनिग्रहः। इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम्। असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यञ्च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु। मयि चानन्ययोगेन भक्तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि। अध्यात्मज्ञाननित्यत्वम् तत्त्वज्ञानार्थदर्शनम् एतज्ज्ञानमिति प्रोक्तम् अज्ञानं यदतोऽन्यथा। ज्ञेयं यत्तत् प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वामृतमश्नुते। अनादिमत्परं ब्रह्म न सत्तन्नासदुच्यते।
Jneyam has to be known
yat, which, tat, that, pravakshyami, I shall now reveal, yat, which, jnatva, knowing, amritam, immortality, ashnute, one attains, anadimat, beginningless, param, supreme, brahma, brahman, na, neither, sat, existent, tat, that, na, nor, asat, non-existent, uchyate, is said to be. Sarvatah panipadantat sarvatokshishiro-mukham sarvatah shrutimaloke sarvamavritya tisthati. Sarvatah, everywhere, pani, hands, padam, feet, tat, that, sarvatah, everywhere, akshi, eyes, shiraha, heads, mukham, faces or mouths, sarvatah, everywhere, shrutimat, with ears, loke, in the worlds or the universe, sarvam, everything, avritya, pervading, tishthati, exists. Sarvendriya guna bhasam sarvendriya vivarjitam asaktam sarvabhritchaiva nirgunam guna bhoktrucha sarva, all, indriya, senses, guna, qualities or functions, abhasam, shining or the source, sarva, all, indriya, senses, vivarjitam, free from, asaktam, has no attachment, sarva bhrit, sustainer of all, cha eva, and yet, nirgunam, free from attributes, guna bhoktra, experiencer of the attributes, cha, and. The Supreme Brahman is the ultimate truth, knowing which nothing else needs to be known, and one attains immortality. Brahman is without beginning or end and beyond the realms of existence and non-existence. The all-pervading Brahman transcends the perception of the senses and the gunas, yet it illuminates the senses and experiences the gunas. I shall now reveal to you that which has to be known, and by knowing which one attains immortality. That is the beginningless Supreme Brahman, which is said to be neither existent nor non-existent. With hands and feet everywhere, with eyes, heads, mouths and ears everywhere, that exists, pervading everything in the universe, shining in the functions of all the senses, yet free from all the senses, the sustainer of all, yet have no attachment, experiencer of the attributes, yet free from the attributes. Jneyam yattat pravakshyami yajñātvāmritam-aśnute anādimat param brahma na sattanna saduchyate.
सर्वतः पाणिपादं तत् सर्वतोक्षिशिरोमुखम् सर्वतः श्रुतिमल्लोके सर्वमावृत्य तिष्ठति। सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च।
ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। ज्ञेयं यत्तत् प्रवक्ष्यामि यज्ञात्वामृतमश्नुते अनादिमत्परं ब्रह्म न सत्तन्नासदुच्यते। सर्वतः पाणिपादं तत् सर्वतोक्षिशिरोमुखम् सर्वतः श्रुतिमल्लोके सर्वमावृत्य तिष्ठति। सर्वेन्द्रियगुणाभासं सर्वेन्द्रियविवर्जितम् असक्तं सर्वभृच्चैव निर्गुणं गुणभोक्तृ च। बहिरन्तश्च भूतानाम् अचरञ्चरमेव च। सूक्ष्मत्वात् तद्विज्ञेयम् दूरस्थं चान्तिके च तत्।
बहिः outside, antah inside, cha and bhutanam of all beings, acharam the unmoving, charam the moving, eva also, cha and sukshmatvat due to subtlety, tat that, avijñeyam incomprehensible, durastham far away, cha and antike near, cha also, tat it.
अविभक्तं च भूतेषु विभक्तमिव च स्थितम्। भूतभर्तृ च तज्ज्ञेयम् ग्रसिष्णुप्रभविष्णु च।
Avibhaktam indivisible, cha and bhuteshu in all beings, vibhaktam divided, iva as if, cha yet
sthitam, situated or existing, bhuta bhartru, sustainer of all beings, cha, also, tat, that which, jneyam, to be known, grasishnu, devouring or annihilating, prabhavishnu, creating, cha, and ज्योतिषामपि तज्ज्योतिः तमसः परमुच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यम् हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम्। Jyotisham, of all lights, api, also, tat, it, jyotihi, light or brightness, tamasaha, darkness, param, beyond, uchyate, is said to be, jnanam, knowledge, jneyam, to be known, jnanagamyam, goal of knowledge, hridi, within the heart, sarvasya, of all, vishthitam, dwelling. इति क्षेत्रं तथा ज्ञानम् ज्ञेयं चोक्तं समासतः मद्भक्त एतद्विज्ञाय मद्भावायोपपद्यते। Iti, thus, kshetram, the field of actions, tatha, also, jnanam, knowledge, jneyam, the object of knowledge or that which has to be known, cha, and uktam, have been described, samasataha, briefly, mat bhaktaha, my devotee, etat, this, vijnaya, having known, mat bhavaya, to my nature, upapadyate, attains. Being the creator, sustainer and destroyer of the entire cosmic manifestation, Brahman is the illumination of knowledge that overcomes the darkness of ignorance and resides deep in everyone's heart. Though complete in itself and cannot be divided further, Brahman is individualized in every being. Brahman is all-pervading, subtle and incomprehensible. That exists outside and inside of all beings, in the moving and the unmoving. It is incomprehensible due to its subtlety. It is far away but at the same time near too. Indivisible, yet it is existing in all beings as if divided. It is the sustainer of all beings, yet it should also be known as that which is annihilating and creating. It is also said to be the brightness of all lights and beyond darkness. It is the knowledge, that which is to be known, as well as the goal of knowledge, dwelling within the heart of all. Thus, the nature of the field, knowledge, and the object of knowledge have been briefly described. Having known this, my devotee attains my nature. Bahirantascha bhutanam acharancharamevacha sukshmat सूक्ष्मत्वात् तदविज्ञेयम् दूरस्थं चान्तिके च तत् अविभक्तं च भूतेषु विभक्तमिव च स्थितम् भूतभर्तृ च तज्ज्ञेयम् ग्रसिष्णुप्रभविष्णु च ज्योतिषामपि तज्ज्योतिः तमसः परमुच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम् इति क्षेत्रं तथा ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं चोक्तं समासतः मद्भक्त एतद्विज्ञाय मद्भावायोपपद्यते। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। बहिरन्तश्च भूतानाम् अचरञ्चरमेव च सूक्ष्मत्वात् तदविज्ञेयम् दूरस्थं चान्तिके च तत् अविभक्तं च भूतेषु विभक्तमिव च स्थितं भूतभर्तृ च तज्ज्ञेयम् ग्रसिष्णुप्रभविष्णु च ज्योतिषामपि तज्ज्योतिः तमसः परमुच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम् इति क्षेत्रं तथा ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं चोक्तं समासतः मद्भक्त एतद्विज्ञाय मद्भावायोपपद्यते। प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव विध्यनादि उभावपि विकारांश्च गुणांश्चैव विद्धि प्रकृतिसम्भवान्।
Prakritim, material energy, Purusham, individual self or soul, Cha, and Eva, indeed, Vidhi, no, Anadi, beginningless, Ubhav, both, Api, also, Vikaran, modifications, Cha, also, Gunan, qualities or the three modes of nature, Cha, and Eva, alone, Vidhi, no, Prakriti, material energy, Sambhavan, born of.
कार्यकारणकर्तृत्वे हेतुः प्रकृतिरुच्यते। पुरुषः सुखदुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते। Karya, effect or the body, Karana, cause or the senses, Kartritve, in production of, Hetuhu, cause or instrument, Prakritihi, material nature, Uchyate, is said to be, Purushaha, individual self, Sukha Dukkhanam, of happiness and sorrow, Bhoktritve, in experiencing, Hetuhu, cause or instrument, Uchyate, is said to be. Purushah prakristho hi bhunkte prakritijan gunan कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य सदसद्यो निजन्मसु। Purushah, individual self, Prakriti sthaha, seated in the material energy, he certainly, bhunkte, experiences, Prakriti jan, produced by the material energy, gunan, qualities, karanam, cause or the reason, guna sangaha, association or attachment to the modes of nature, asya, of it, sat asat, superior and inferior, yoni, womb or place of birth, janmasu, of births. Upadrashtanumanta cha bharta bhokta maheshwaraha परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः। Upadrashta, witness, Anumanta, permitter, Cha, and Bharta, sustainer or protector, Bhokta, enjoyer or experiencer, Maha Ishvaraha, great Lord, Parama Atma, supreme self, Iti, thus, Cha, and Api, also or indeed, Uktaha, is said, Dehe, in the body, Asmin, this, Purushaha, Purusha or the supreme being, Paraha, supreme. Ya evam vetti purusham prakritincha gunais saha sarvatha vartamanopi न स भूयोऽभिजायते। यह, one who, एवं, thus, Veti knows, Purusham individual self or the supreme being, Prakritim material nature, Cha and Gunaihi qualities or the modes of material nature, Saha along with, Sarvatha in whatever way, Vartamanaha living or situation, Api in spite of, Na not, Saha he, Bhuyaha again, Abhijayate takes birth. Creation has come about by the union of the Purusha and Prakriti. The body and the senses are born out of the modifications of Prakriti, while Purusha, seated in Prakriti, experiences pleasure and pain born of the Gunas. Attachment to the Gunas leads to the cycle of birth and death. Unaffected by all this is the Supreme Lord, the Paramatma, who resides in the body as a witness, established in his self. The enlightened ones who understand this eternal truth realize Brahman and are liberated from the cycle of birth and death. Know that material nature and individual self are indeed both beginningless. Also, know that all modifications and qualities are born of the material energy alone. In the creation of the body and the senses, the material energy is said to be the cause, and in experiencing happiness and sorrow, the individual self is said to be the cause. The individual self, seated in material energy, experiences the qualities produced by the material energy, and the attachment to it is the reason for the births in superior and inferior wombs. Within the body resides the Purusha too, which is said to be the witness, the permitter, the protector, the enjoyer, the great Lord and the Supreme Self. One who thus knows the individual self and the material nature along with the qualities of material nature, such a one does not take birth again in spite of whatever way he lives. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Vidhyanadi Ubhavapi Vikaramscha Gunamschaiva Vidhi Prakriti Sambhavan Karya Karana Kartritve Hetuf Prakriti Ruchyate Purushas Sukha Dukkhanam Bhoktritve Hetu Ruchyate. Purushav Prakritisthohi Bhunkte Prakriti Jangunan Karanam Guna Sangosya Sadasadyo Nijanmasu Upadrashtanumantacha Bharta Bhokta Maheshwaraha Paramatmeti Chapyukto Dehesmin Purushav Paraha. Ya evam veti Purusham Prakritincha Gunais Saha Sarvatha Vartamanopi Nasa Bhuyo Bhijayate. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayaha Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogaha. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Vidhyanadi Ubhavapi विकारांश्च गुणांश्चैव विद्धि प्रकृतिसम्भवान्। कार्यकारणकर्तृत्वे हेतुः प्रकृतिरुच्यते। पुरुषः सुखदुःखानां भोक्तृत्वे हेतुरुच्यते। पुरुषः प्रकृतिस्थो हि भुङ्क्ते प्रकृतिजान् गुणान्। कारणं गुणसङ्गोऽस्य सदसद्यो निजन्मसु। उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च भर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः। परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः। य एवं वेत्ति पुरुषं प्रकृतिं च गुणैः सह सर्वथा वर्तमानोऽपि न स भूयोऽभिजायते। ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानमात्मना। अन्ये सांख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे। ध्यानेन through meditation, atmani within oneself, pashyanti perceive, kechit some, atmanam the self, atmana by the self, anye others, sankhyena by knowledge, yogena through the path of, karma yogena through the path of action, cha and apare others. अन्ये त्वेवमजानन्तः श्रुत्वान्येभ्य उपासते। तेऽपि चातितरन्त्येव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः। अन्ये others too, but or still, evam this, ajanantah those who are ignorant, shrutva having heard, anyebhyah from others, upasate worship, te they, api also, cha and atitaranti transcend, eva verily or even, mrityum death, shruti parayanah being devoted to hearing of what they have heard. Yavat sanjayate kinchit Sattvam sthavara jangamam क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभा। Yavat, whatever, sanjayate, comes manifested, kinchit, anything, sattvam, being, sthavara, unmoving, jangamam, moving, kshetra, field of actions, kshetrajna, knower of the field, samyogat, combination of, tat, that, viddhi, know, bharatarshava, O Arjuna, best of the Bharatas. Some realize Brahman by practicing Dhyana Yoga, some others, through the practice of Jnana Yoga, are able to discriminate between the Purusha and Prakriti and perceive the Paramatma. Some follow the path of action to attain God, while others, through Satsanga and Bhakti Yoga, realize God. All beings, moving and non-moving, are manifested by the union of Kshetra and Kshetrajna. Some perceive the self within oneself through meditation by the purified intellect, others through the path of cultivating knowledge, and others through the path of selfless action. Others, those who are ignorant of this but still do worship, having heard from others, such ones also will verily transcend death by being devoted to what they have heard as the Supreme. O best of the Bharatas, whatever being comes manifested, the moving or the unmoving, know it to be from the combination of the field of actions and the knower of the field. Dhyanenatmani pashyanti kechidatmanamatmana anye sankhena yogena कर्म योगेन चापरे अन्ये त्वेवमजानन्तः श्रुत्वान्येभ्य उपासते तेऽपि चातितरन्त्येव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः यावत् संजायते किंचित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभा। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः। क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः। ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानमात्मना अन्ये सांख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे अन्ये त्वेवमजानन्तः श्रुत्वान्येभ्य उपासते तेऽपि चातितरन्त्येव मृत्युं श्रुतिपरायणाः। यावत् संजायते किंचित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभा। समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरम्। विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तम्। यः पश्यति स पश्यति। समम equally, सर्वेषु in all, भूतेषु in beings, तिष्ठन्तं existing, Parama Ishwaram Supreme Lord, Vinashyatsu in the perishable, Avinashyantam the imperishable, Yah one who, Pashyati sees, Saha that person, Pashyati sees. समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र समवस्थितमीश्वरम्। न हि नस्त्यात्मनात्मानम्। ततो याति परां गतिम्। समम equally, पश्यन् seeing, he indeed or because, sarvatra everywhere, samavasthitam equally present, Ishwaram Supreme Lord, na does not, hinasti degrades or injures, atmana by the self or the mind, atmanam the self, tataha thereby, yati reaches, param ultimate, gatim goal. प्रकृत्यैव च कर्माणि क्रियमाणानि सर्वशः। यः पश्यति तथात्मानम्। अकर्तारं स पश्यति। प्रकृत्या by material energy, eva alone, cha also, karmani actions, kriyamanani being performed, sarvashah in all respects, yah one who, pashyati sees, tatha and atmanam the self, akartaram the non-doer, saha that person, pashyati sees. यदा भूत पृथक् भावम् एकस्थमनुपश्यति। तत एव च विस्तारम् ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा। Yada when bhuta beings, prithak bhavam separate existence, ekastham situated in one, anupashyati, sees, tataha, from that, eva, alone, cha, and vistaram, expansion, brahma, brahman, sampadyate, attains or becomes, tada, then. The wise ones see God in everyone and realize that the imperishable Supreme Soul and the individual soul both exist in the perishable body. They understand that while all actions an individual performs arise from Prakriti, the individual soul remains a non-doer. They realize Brahman by seeing unity in the diversity of creation and understand that the multitudes of beings eventually arise from and rest in Brahman. Such a one truly sees, who sees the Supreme Lord existing equally in all beings as the imperishable in the perishable. Indeed, by seeing the Supreme Lord equally present everywhere, such a one does not injure the self by one's mind. Thereby, the one reaches the ultimate goal. Such a one truly sees, who sees that all actions are being performed by the material energy alone and that the self remains a non-doer. When one sees that the separate existence of all beings are situated in one and that all of them are the expansion of that alone, then the one becomes Brahman. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu Tishthantam parameshwaram Vinashyatsva vinashyantam Yaf pashyati sa pashyati Samam pashyan hi sarvatra Samavasthitam ishwaram Nahi nastyatmanatmanam Tato yati parangatim. Prakrityaiva cha karmani Kriyamanani sarvashaha Yaf pashyati tathatmanam Akartaram sa pashyati. Yada bhuta prithak bhavam Ekasthamanu pashyati Tata eva cha vistaram Brahma sampadyate tada. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Trayodashodhyayaha Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogaha. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu Tishthantam parameshwaram Vinashyatsva vinashyantam Yaf pashyati sa pashyati. Samam pashyan hi sarvatra Samavasthitam ishwaram Nahi nastyatmanatmanam Tato yati parangatim. Prakrityaiva cha karmani Kriyamanani sarvashaha Yaf pashyati tathatmanam
अकर्तारं स पश्यति। यदा भूतपृथक्भावम् एकस्थमनुपश्यति तत एव च विस्तारं ब्रह्म सम्पद्यते तदा। अनादित्वान्निर्गुणत्वात् परमात्मायमव्ययः। शरीरस्थोऽपि कौन्तेय न करोति न लिप्यते।
Anaditvat, being without beginning. Nirgunatvat, being without attributes. Parama, supreme. Atma, self. Ayam, this. Avyayaha, imperishable. Sharirasthaha, dwelling in the body. Api, though. Kaunteya, O Arjuna, the son of Kunti. Na, neither. Karoti, does anything. Na, nor. Lipyate, entangled or affected.
यथा सर्वगतं सौक्ष्म्यात् आकाशन्नोपलिप्यते। सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मानोपलिप्यते।
Yatha, just as. Sarvagatam, all pervading. Saukshmyat, because of its subtlety. Akasham, space. Na, not. Upalipyate, is tainted. Sarvatra, everywhere. Avasthitaha, situated. Dehe, in the body. Tatha, similarly. Atma, the self. Na, never. Upalipyate, is tainted.
यथा प्रकाशयत्येकः कृत्स्नं लोकमिमं रविः। क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नम् प्रकाशयति भारत।
Yatha, just as. Prakashayati, illumines. Ekaha, one. Kritsnam, the whole. Lokam, world. Imam, this. Ravihi, sun. Kshetram, the body. Kshetri, the self who abides in the body. Tatha, similarly. Kritsnam, the entire. Prakashayati, illumines. Bharata, O Arjuna, descendant of Bharata.
क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवम् अन्तरञ्ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूतप्रकृतिमोक्षञ्च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्।
Kshetra, the field or the body, kshetrajnayoh, of the knower of the field or the body, evam, thus, antaram, the distinction, jnana chakshusha, by the eyes of wisdom, bhuta, beings, prakriti, material nature, moksham, release from, cha, also, ye, those who, viduhu, know or perceive, yanti, go to, te, they, param, the supreme. The Supreme Soul is eternal, blemishless and devoid of material attributes. Though situated in the body, it remains unaffected by the actions or changes in the body, just as space remains untouched by what it contains. Like the sun, which illumines the whole world, Brahman illuminates the entire Kshetra. The ones who realize this truth attain Brahman. O son of Kunti, being without beginning or attributes, though dwelling within the body, this imperishable Supreme Self neither does anything nor is entangled. Just as the all-pervading space does not get tainted because of its subtlety, similarly, the self situated everywhere in the body never gets tainted. O descendant of Bharata, just as one sun illumines this entire world, similarly, the self who abides in the body illumines the entire body. Those who thus perceive by the eyes of wisdom the distinction between the body and the knower of the body, and also the way to release themselves from the material nature of beings, such ones go to the Supreme.
Anaditvan nirgunatvat paramatmayam avyayaha sharirasthopi kaunteya na karoti na lipyate. Yatha sarvagatam saukshmyat akashanopalipyate sarvatravasthito dehe tathatmanopalipyate. Yatha prakashayatyekaha कृत्स्नं लोकमिमं रविः क्षेत्रं क्षेत्री तथा कृत्स्नं प्रकाशयति भारत. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवम् अन्तरञ्ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूतप्रकृतिमोक्षञ्च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्. ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगो नाम त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः. श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु.